Starting a systematic investment plan or SIP can feel overwhelming, especially when faced with a plethora of mutual fund options. But don't worry, I'm here to simplify that for you. Let's dive into the best mutual funds for SIP in India for 2025, tailored to your goals, risk appetite, and performance metrics. First up, we have the Axis Bluechip Fund. This large cap fund is ideal for those looking for stability and consistent returns. It invests in well established companies with a track record of performance. If you're someone who prefers a lower risk profile but still wants to grow your wealth, this fund could be a great fit. Historically, it has shown resilience during market fluctuations, making it a solid choice for long-term investors. Next, let's talk about the Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. This fund stands out for its flexibility, allowing investments across large, mid, and small cap stocks. It's perfect for those who want a diversified portfolio without being tied down to a specific market cap. The fund manager's approach focuses on quality companies with strong fundamentals, which can lead to substantial growth over time. If you're looking for a balanced risk-reward ratio, this could be your go-to option. Now, for those who are willing to take on a bit more risk for potentially higher returns, the Quant Small Cap Fund is worth considering. Small cap stocks can be volatile, but they also have the potential for significant growth. This fund focuses on identifying high potential small cap companies that are often overlooked by larger funds. If you're a risk taker and want to invest in the future leaders of the market, this fund might just be the right choice for you. For tax savers, the Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund, an equity-linked savings scheme or ELSS, is an excellent option. Not only does it offer tax benefits under Section 80C, but it also invests in a diversified portfolio of equities. This fund has consistently performed well, making it a favorite among investors looking to save on taxes while growing their wealth. If you want to make your money work for you while enjoying tax deductions, this fund is definitely worth a look. Lastly, we have the HDFC Hybrid Equity Fund. This fund adopts a balanced approach by investing in both equities and debt instruments. It's suitable for those who want to mitigate risk while still aiming for capital appreciation. The hybrid model allows for a smoother ride during market volatility, making it an attractive option for conservative investors who still want exposure to the equity market. Now that we've covered some of the best funds, let's talk about how to build your own SIP portfolio. Start by assessing your financial goals. Are you saving for a house, your child's education, or retirement? Your goals will dictate your investment horizon and risk tolerance. Next, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A mix of large cap, mid cap, and small cap funds can help balance risk and reward. Consider including a tax-saving fund if you're looking to optimize your tax liability. Finally, review your portfolio regularly. The market changes, and so should your investments. Keep an eye on the performance of your funds and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Investing through SIPs is a powerful way to build wealth over time. With the right funds and a clear strategy, you can navigate the investment landscape with confidence. Remember, it's not just about picking the right fund, it's about creating a plan that works for you. Happy investing.